Chapter 54. It's dark by the time I get home, and the moon is out. "Davy!" Bubby shrieks. "Oy vey, I'm so glad you're home." She envelops me in a hug. I cry because I don't want her hugging me. I want Hammy. I want Mom. When Bubby finally lets me up for air, Dad puts a strong hand on my shoulder. "Lindsay told us. We're so sorry." Lindsay shrugs. I wipe my nose with my sleeve. The average lifespan of a hamster is 2.5 years. Hammy didn't even live that long, I say, feeling cheated. "It's not your fault," Dad says. "You did a real good job taking care of him." "Yeah," Lindsay said. "And you have that cool video with him, right? Hammy Time? And the other ones too?" I sniff. Hammy was the real star of Talk Time. How am I ever going to make another one without him? "You were a good boy with him," Bubby says. "We saved dinner for you," Dad says. "Matzo ball soup," Bubby says. "And I didn't steal all the matzo balls this time," Lindsay says, which makes me laugh and cry at the same time. I swipe at my eyes. I'm not hungry, but Bubby makes me sit and eat one matzo ball, and everyone watches. Afterward, we go to the backyard. Lindsay holds the flashlight. Dad digs a hole near the azalea bush. I put Lindsay's shoebox with Hammy into the hole, and Bubby says the Kaddish, the Jewish prayer for the dead. Amen.